Hello and welcome back to ScorpioTech. Today we are going to take a look at the MiiKARE Gooseneck tablet and phone stand that was kindly sent out to me for testing and reviewing. First of all, the stand is listed at just £22, however thanks to their generosity I am able to offer you a 49% coupon for both the black and white variants of this product, cutting that listing price nearly in half. So let's jump into the unboxing. The product comes standard with a 1-year warranty, which is always a nice bonus to have. Also in the box is the product base, which has a really nice and sturdy weight to it to ensure that the stand won't topple even when used with larger tablets. The base also has a non-slip underside to ensure it doesn't get knocked over easily either. As you can tell, I've opted for the white variation of the stand, and I'd be lying if I wasn't a little disappointed that the product just appears to be a spray painted version of the black stand. It gives the stand a rough feel which sadly knocks off some points for the build quality. Next up we have the tablet or phone holder itself. This is completely made of plastic and does feel quite cheaply made as well, although it does include rubber on the inside to avoid scratching your device, which is a nice touch, but in regards to the overall quality, it's not outstanding by any means. Next out of the box we have the bendy portion, which is absolutely not a technical term, but it is also known as a gooseneck. Surprisingly, this actually feels much more premium quality than the other parts. It bends easily and holds its position fairly well, making it really easy to maneuver, but I'll showcase this more towards the end of the video. The ball bearing connects to the tablet or phone holder to allow it to be positioned exactly how you'd like it, which is really handy. And finally, the last thing out of the box is the central pole of the stand, which again is very sturdy. Now that everything is out, it's time to put this stand together and see how it looks. So as you can see, the assembly of the stand was incredibly easy and takes just a few moments. Once put together, we can see how the stand actually works. For the most part, I was actually pretty impressed. There was a few occasions where it took a little while to position the tablet and phone holder correctly, but once it was in place it stayed there very well, just a little awkward at times. Overall, especially with the 49% off coupon, it's hard to see where you can go wrong with this purchase. The stand does exactly what is required of it, even though I was slightly disappointed with the overall build quality. But if you choose the right colour, it will blend right in with your surrounding environment. This would be ideal for streamers who only have one monitor, as you can have your live stream chat open on your device at a good height to read. This could also be really useful for those who frequently use chatting apps such as FaceTime, Skype and Discord, or even for those in home office environments for a boosted productivity. As always, all the information and links will be down in the description below. If you have any questions regarding the product, feel free to let me know in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got lots of exciting products coming up, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. Also feel free to join my Discord server, Scorpio's Den, where we discuss all things tech and gaming. Link is also down in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.